Oh. Yeah, just go ahead and unload her right there.
Now needs 2 headlights.
What the hell? Broke my freaking headlight. It's all over your record. I see it. Yeah, ain't got nothing in it for a motor. Let's just unhook this V-Bride on the link. It ain't going nowhere with them flat tires.
Here it is. I look stupid. The good thing about this truck is that it's mine. It came with a bunch of trash, which I'm planning to put all in a pile so we can do something with it. I don't know what that is. Go inside. Oh, oops. Can I? Oh, I haven't been in here before and it's my truck. What the heck? There's a lot of trash in here. The seats could need some repairing. That entire thing needs to be fixed. The entire dash and whatever that's called. It's got one pedal, so if I have to hit the brakes, I'm out of luck and I'm probably going to crash and die. Oh, it's got a little thing which is gonna have to be tightened or thrown away. I don't know if the dash closes. I don't know if whatever that is closes. My window doesn't go up. At least my tailgate works. That's good. Part of the customization was missing a door handle, but we actually found it. It needs new headlights and taillights and tires and pretty much everything. Yeah. So I've got to be a wrestler or something to open this door. Here's my thing. Oh, it's got spiders on it. I've got friends. That's lovely. Got some more Vine friends. Well, there goes my broom. Someone made custom little pockets, which is pretty cool. Something right there. I don't like that. So I made little pockets, which I think is pretty cool. It's got a name on it, maybe. I don't feel like eating it. So it goes up here. There's my steering wheel. I'm kidding, it's not. I wish. Oh hey, it's still got carpet after years. I don't know what that cord is, and I don't know if I'm supposed to be messing with it. But I'm gonna keep doing it anyway. Oh, a spider. Hello, buddy. Can you get out of my car? I guess not. Well, I've got a resident living in here rent-free. I don't know what to do with him. That one's a lot easier to open than that other one, even without a door handle. It's got seat belts that probably need to be replaced. What is this? BW, that's all I can read. Old. Just like Wiley. Oh hey, there is a rust hole. I'm gonna have to see if I can do something about these seats to get them out so that I can clean under them and make sure that all of the residents are gone. I don't want any spiders in here. I don't like spiders. A free screwdriver. It's a free screwdriver. And it's a flathead, I think. Because I'm stupid and I don't know a thing about tools, but I think that's a... It's kind of bent. If I had pockets, I'd put them... No. Where do I put it? There we go. Is that... I think that moth's dead. How did it even get in there? It's my fuel tank. I don't know what this is. Don't know what that is. I think this is to tell me how fast I'm going. I don't know what that is. Or that. Well, now it's nothing. Oops, guess we'll never know. I don't want to reach in there. I don't want to find out what's been in there for the past years. I don't want to break this. No. I don't know how to work this. I think this is how I get out. It doesn't have it over there, so I can officially kidnap people. Nice to know. Oh, it moves. I don't think that's supposed to be up like that. Pretty sure it's not. Oh, this is just... I probably shouldn't have done that. So I'll keep it. There's a huge hole and there's a huge hole. I'm gonna keep the carpet so that I don't find more huge holes. I haven't seen the spider again, so I'm thinking it might have ran away. Oh, hey, there's the rest of the spider web right in the door lock thing. I don't know what it's called. What is this? Probably important, so I'm not gonna pull on it anymore so I don't break it. Anyway, my window needs cleaned. Oh. So I guess I can't take the seats out. Yeah. No, the spider's definitely still there. I'll have to live with that fear for the rest of my life. Great to know. Nice. I'm gonna take this seat cover out because it's trash anyway. See how easy that came off? I'm weak and I can tear it apart. Not this. I can not tear that apart. I guess I can take the seats out. Blue. My seat is now permanently blue. I'm gonna go back down to the house and get a knife, a pocket knife, so I can cut these off if I need to. Yeah, I'm gonna go do that, and I'll be back in just a minute, and it might be a little darker because I'm slow. Yeah. We've got probably an hour left of daylight. I'm just gonna go inside whenever I'm done cleaning maybe when I'm done getting all that stuff out. I don't know when that will be. So I guess we'll find out. Yeah, anyways, I got the knife. There's gonna be a lot of people who don't like me using a knife. But I don't care, because I gotta use it. My weak arms can't cut this stuff. Very convenient handle, by the way. Too much dirt, dang it. I don't like dirt. Especially not when it's trying to assault my nostrils. I lost the knife. I did not lose the knife. Here's my seat belts. Not gonna cut those. That would be stupid. Not attached anymore. I don't know what's keeping the seat thing on. I know exactly what's keeping the seat thing on. No? Never mind. I don't. Maybe it's just me being weak. Or more likely it's probably the seatbelt. That would make a lot of sense. Dirt does not smell good, and it doesn't taste good. Yeah. Oh, hey, I'm gonna have to wash my hands like 12 times before I can eat again. Blue everywhere. It's like a party. Blue. Must be a good thing that I don't mind it then. It looks like the passenger seat got used more than the driver's seat. Also looking at Randy's pantry again. Be kind of hard to drive like this, so I don't think I'm gonna keep the seats like that. Good news is, I've got half the floor done almost, and there's no more rust holes. Alright, I'm done with in here right now. I'm technically not, but I'm done. See myself. Oh, lovely. Can't even pick this up. A gear. Pick that up, am I not? Oh my god. Is this made of foam? There's no way. Funny. I'm thinking I might keep this so that I can use it to patch up the holes in my floor. Ow. I don't think it would be that hard. We could cut it, make it fit almost perfectly, like squares. That doesn't sound good. Still got the expiration date. 16th of May 2009. It's a couple days after my birthday. It's like 3 days. An old radiator that is also spilling suspicious liquid. No. You know, I was hoping that I could put up different angles, but I couldn't find the tripod because I didn't look for it. So I gave up that wish. I'll finish this tomorrow. I don't know how to open this. That's a big problem. Looks pretty nice in there. I like it. So I'm gonna clean that out. I'll have to move these all in the morning. Well, I'm going to record again tomorrow when I feel like it. So, Oh, it's not as pretty as it is in real life. I was hoping it was. Kind of sad. I'm about to walk you through what I did while I was off camera. They were cleaning out the bus and we're gonna replace the floor in it. And I didn't have a camera with me. There was a huge pile of dirt right here that I removed, and there was what I think is can't remember what it was. There's a little stick that I can't put this on. We had an engine or something. I'm guessing that's what it is because it looked like it right there, and I've learned how to do that. Flip it down. Yeah. Oh, hi, bud. We've got a little gas tank back here, which we're probably going to move to like right here somehow. I don't know how to do that because it's going to be way in the future. We removed the carpet from right here, and as you can see, there's a couple of rust holes we're going to have to patch up. Someone had already patched it up, but they did it with fiberglass, which isn't gonna do much of anything. I cleaned up there a little, but you can't really tell because there was nothing up there to clean. I cleaned this out, which was a rat's nest. I guess this used to be a stick shift or something because someone had made this, or maybe it was originally, is what Wiley said. I have a glove box now, which is a pretty nice addition. And I still have the handle, which is gonna go in the glove box because I have nowhere better to put it. The door needs a tiny bit of work. There was a huge rat's nest right here and all along here that I had to clean out. And there was a couple bunches, I don't know. There was a lot of vines throughout this entire thing, everywhere. And I had to clean some out of the wheel right here. They were all nested up here and in the other one. They were like pretty big too. I don't know where they're at now though. I had to put all of the trash from that in there because I have nowhere else to put it. There's the thing from the back. I don't know what else to say. That's just what I have for you, I guess. Yeah. Anyway, I'm already in love with it. I love it. I don't know why. I just do. Look at that. Isn't it a beauty? It doesn't run. Thank you for watching, and if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any more of these videos. Remember, work hard, stay humble, and love God.